Hello guys, just want to show you guys today back again with the 12-volt system here. I'm just want to show you what's going on. It seems like we're coming to a completion. Guys, you see the portable generator sitting right there. You see two Magnum 12-volt system. This is the MMS 1012. So 1000 watts and 12 volts. Guys, you see box there. I got some about 3 lithium batteries sitting there, which supposed to be going for a project, and adding up some batteries into the 12-volt system. And guys, and if you guys can notice, I got a midnight kid. So right now it's sitting upside down. It's not even connected yet, but I want to show you guys. System is currently not connected because I was trying to reorganize where to put this charge controller. Well, it looks like this charge controller is going to be going the other way around. Okay, it's going to be going this way. I want to set it up this way. Yeah, so it's going to sit right here in between the controller, the remote, the MEARC MER50. So right there. So I want to make sure that sit there. I want to make sure they have more clearance for heat to dissipate. And it's just a 12. It's going to be getting here to approximately 500 watts of solar on this one, and this guy is going to be running in full throttle. And I got my outlets here for the bottom inverter that doesn't house the GFCI. You watched that video I set up for it. And guys, this is how the system looks. And battery temperature sensor, all the what I want to attach here. I have a 2 hot cable on this guy, and you guys can see Magnasign just built some nice inverters and charge controllers. So I'm gonna stick it right here and get this thing really going. But anyway, for the time being, I'm just trying not to scratch all this and put a scratch into this. And I'm gonna set it this way till I come up with a plan. And this is the system. And guys, thank you guys for watching my videos and subscribing. And I'm gonna be coming with more videos to come live here from the channel at JW Solar USA. I got some projects sitting on that table I want to talk about, but for now I'm just gonna leave it this way. Stay tuned for this because it's gonna be really fun and interesting. Okay, a lot of things to do this summer. Thank you guys for your support and have a wonderful day. 12 volts is almost getting done. Thank you guys. Bye.